So we are back for another Essential RC fight test of a trainer sent to us by Banggood. Again, on the left here you see the Trainstar Ascent, and here we've got the Trainstar Epoch, which... Jason, where are you? Behind me, hiding. You put this together.
I did, yes. Yeah, absolutely.
Was it challenging to put together?
No, it's pretty easy to put together. It actually all screws together, so there's no glue involved at all. So anybody that doesn't like using glue, this is the model for you.
And it comes in a kit and a plug and play version.
Yes, this was the kit version, but there is a plug and play. Well, no, it's not even plug and play. It's ready to fly with a transmitter.
Oh, okay.
So this is the kit, so you have to put a receiver and a battery.
So I guess the difference between these two, one's larger.
Yeah,
the smaller.
The Ascent's a lot larger. It's got a much bigger undercarriage and bigger wheels. So if you're flying off rough ground, I guess the Ascent's probably a little bit better. Right,
yeah. So pick the one that suits your needs. All right. So let's give it a go.
Okay.
The battery in this is what? It needs a smaller battery. The Ascent needed a 3S 2200 kind of size. This is what, 1,000?
We put a 3S 2200 in it because that's all we had.
Oh right, okay. So okay.
But yeah, 3S 1500 ideally.
Right.
So it's a little bit nose heavy, but let's see how it flies.
All right, let's do that.
Plenty of power even with the extra weight. Let's try a couple of loops and rolls and stuff. I'm running out of battery.
Excellent.
There we go.
How did that go? All right.
Probably wouldn't have been better if we used a fully charged battery, but
I did fully charge it.
Well, that was it. So.
Oh, okay. Maybe I didn't fully charge it.
Maybe it was as fully charged as the battery.
Well, that was enough. That was enough for a swift test.
Yeah. So it flies really well. Definitely a trainer, obviously. Yeah, it goes together in no time at all. So.
All right. So if you're in the market for a small trainer like that, look it up on banggood.com. The link is actually in our video description for this video. So look up the price. Thanks for that, Jason. Excellent work. Thank you. So small addendum to our video flight testing this Epoch. It says 4S on the speed controller.
The speed controller says 4S. I'm not sure about the motor, but let's see what happens.
This is going to be a disaster.
Yeah, maybe.
Go on then. Good Lord. Okay.
That's good performance.
Just waiting for the wings to rip off. Oh my God. How many times when flying models have we thought, yeah, let's just put another cell in it and see if it goes faster?
Well, it does.
It does, but for how long, we don't know. Good Lord. Turned it into a pylon racer. Okay, so the Epoch. It's not just a trainer, it's a pylon racer. Is that you or the model?
I think I need a little.
Reduce the rates.
Really sensitive.
Reduce the rates a little bit.
Yeah. Perhaps didn't follow the manual on throws.
Do we ever? you want to give us the power dive?
Power dive?
The power dive. Climb, climb, climb.
Oh, okay. Oh, don't touch. Plastic wing bolts don't.
No, I've got faith that they will hold.
Okay, here we go.
Yes! So there we go, the Trainstar Epoch. Jason, it's a trainer.
And better on 4 cells.
It's a PYLON racer. It's a 3D machine. It's basically the one model you will only ever have to buy.
Yeah, absolutely. Take you from start.
The link is in the video description. Buy 2. That's what I'd advise. 1 as a backup. It's just fantastic. Thanks, Jason.
Cheers.
Top flying.
Plenty of power even with the extra weight.